Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the DAX futures for Thursday, November 2nd. For the record, today is Wednesday, October 1st, November 1st, and time is around 8 p.m. GMT. So, we had our Fed meeting. We start to move again. Nice rally across the markets. Also here in the DAX, nice push up, I would say. But honestly, for the moment, think this is still corrective what we are doing. I think we are having here an expanded flat structure, but actually the expanded flat structure fits in both of our scenarios. Let's have a look first at the scenario in green. The scenario in green assumes that we are doing the expanded flat here as an A, B, C, as indicated in green, as a wave 4. As you can see, we are now in the wave 4 area. So we are actually working on a wave 5 here in the higher degree, but we are still missing our fifth wave. So far we have a 1, a 2, a 3. Now we have something corrective here, and the structure we have here can be a corrective wave 4 as an expanded flat, A, B, C. But then we need to hold this area here. This is the wave 4 area. And for now, it looks like the wave 4 area is respected. Also, if we look at the internals of this wave, it looks like this structure here will soon be ending. Depends on what we will do right here. But for the moment, we are seeing, I would say, we are working on the fifth wave here in the lower degree. We have a 1, a 2. This looks like a 3. Then here a 4. And then this here could be the fifth and final wave of this upward structure. So far we have divergence, not really outspoken, but there is divergence for now. And if we look at the 15-minute, also here we have divergence. But it looks like we do not have enough swings yet, unless this is the 3, the 4, and here our fifth wave could be. So if we are making a flat here, an expanded flat as a wave 4, I would say this structure has to end soon. Then our wave C is over, and then we can go down again as an impulse as this fifth wave. Now, the alternative is that from here, we are doing the WXY structure. So far, we have 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. We do not have the fifth wave yet, so we can still move in 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we could also have an expanded flat structure as a wave X. So this is our wave X area. If we do not respect the wave 4 area, then I would call for going into the wave X area as an expanded flat. And then what could happen is, so this then is still our wave A, wave B down, but then this here might be the first wave of a wave C. Like if this structure is ending, I would say the C wave can develop like this. So then we have here a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like an ending diagonal. So yeah, let's put it like this here, 2, 3, 4, 5, as a wave C into the wave X area. So the difference will be at some point from here, I would expect some kind of pullback. If like Okay, if we are pulling back the scenario in green, then would say that we will take out this low and that we are working on the fifth wave. But if the expanded flat is happening here as a wave X, then I would still expect some pullback, but I believe the pullback will be shallow. And then that would mean that here we finished a wave 1, shallow pullback as a wave 2, and then we still make a 3, a 4, and a 5 here to finish this wave C, to finish the wave X, and then we have our last corrective leg down as a wave Y. So I would say I think this structure will end soon. And then what could happen is we go down immediately as a fifth wave, or we only have a shallow pullback and we see a third, fourth, and fifth wave here as a C wave, and then we go down from here. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.